Mag-vlog ulit ako ngayon. Sabi, time check ko ito. Ready? 6:56 mag-7 na. First na minute ko lang. Bawa na medyo. Ano yun? Big dog. Makita ko din sa inyo yung kapatid. Nalaro niya. Tina! Ano ka dito? Nag-vlog ako.
Naka-cellphone tayo. O, ni mami yung cellphone.
Isasend ko sa YouTube. Diyan ka na muna, Aya. Mami. Bored pala ako kaya watch my TV. Let's just watch TV. I have a necklace. I have a necklace. I have a necklace. No, what's that? Nakikita ko. Nakikita ko.
Dahil first time namin umalis ng bansa na mag-asawa, ito na ata yung pinaka-the best na family vacation at sobrang blessed kami ipakita sa inyong lahat ang aming pangat. Dahil first time namin umalis ng bansa na mag-asawa, ito na ata yung pinaka-the best na family vacation at sobrang blessed kami ipakita sa inyong lahat ang aming pangarap na family vacation house. Dito, sa Babang Jumuna.
Wow!
Look at this picture. There's something wrong.
Guys, narito yung view. Actually nga guys, meron ng binang daw. Bini cards. Tina! Wala na yung ano, sa taas yung bini cards ko. Yung bini cards ko. Bawal na kasi baka umuwi na sila, ma'am.
Hi, Blooms. Welcome back to Pinoy Quiz. Today, we've got a fun challenge for you. Can you guess the baby song titles using only emojis and artwork? Do well then and guess the correct title. Don't forget to comment your score and share this quiz with fellow Blooms. Ready? Let's go. Which song comes to mind with these emojis?
Cherry on top, cherry.
That's right, cherry on top. Can you guess the song from these emojis?
Ito ko lang.
You got it. Can you figure out the song from these emojis?
Laging na lang.
Yes, that's I feel good. Do these art give you a hint of the song? Correct. Can you figure this one out?
Laging na lang. Wait, andito!
You got it. This emoji is easy to guess.
Saan mo sila mag-play? Wait lang guys.
Perfect. Here's a little shout out to the Blooms who commented their top 3 favorite Blooms songs in our last video. Let's get back to the game. Which song do these emojis represent?
The coconut nut.
Shannon, do you think this one will be too easy to guess?
Stop. What? Stop.
Awesome. It's no
No
fear.
fear.
Can you guess this one?
Lagi na lang umaawit.
Correct. Super fresh. Can you easily tell from these emojis? Good job. Guess it?
Ah!
Just love yourself. What's this?
Let arrow.
Exactly. It's Golden Arrow. Which song can these emojis begin together?
Ikaw muna. Okay na. Muna.
That's right. Strings.
Yes, like-
If you enjoyed this quiz, be
Ayan,
sure to like and subscribe for more exciting quizzes.
Sina.
See you in the next video.
Ito. Ito. Yan ang basta. Nandito si Bini Sheena, Bini Gwen,
Are you ready to put
Bini
your video
Gwen,
knowledge to the
Bini
ultimate test?
Oyong,
You're
Bini
about to
Colette,
check out the most
Bini
challenging
Mo.
mini quiz ever.
Guys,
With
sino
50
ang
fun and
bias
intriguing
niya dito?
questions that only two girls
Ito.
can answer. Alright, let's
Tapos
dive in and see how well you
Ito.
really know Vinny.
Baka naman. Teka dito yung guys. 19. Tapos, Bini Colette, syempre. At si Bimo. Bini Rose. Bloom. Baby Gwen. Yes, pengi. Nag-iingi sundo yun. Ano ako po? Tapos pa naman. Ate, diba bigay ito ni Lara? Ay! Bigay ito ni Lara. Yan eh. Naku yan. Ipakawat, Lolo? Yes, niya. Tadaan na ako sa kuya na. Binigay yan sa akin. Sino yun? Para. Di ano? Igisa tayo. Magkaan na kami Lolo.
Ha?
Magkaan na kami. Pinituran na sa loob. Pero doon ka, Becky, sa ano,